Welcome. In front of me is a NUBIA Red Magic 5S, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you will want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using settings as an example for this, and once your content is open and visible, like it is for me, you want to hold power key and volume down at the same time. You'll get this pop-up right here, letting you know that you have just captured a screenshot. Now if you paid attention, there's also two options visible under it. So you have screen record, apparently, and share. Now, when you do a screen record, it just gives you an overlay. Now, I checked it out because I was hoping that this would be a scrollable screenshot with a stupid translation, but it just looks like it allows you to just start screen recording from here. Now, anyway, the screenshots that we have captured can be located in the gallery application. In the gallery you will find albums at the bottom, and you'll see an album called screenshots, and in here you'll locate all the screenshots that I have captured over the time. So for me it's just the two that I have captured right now. Anyway, that is how you can capture a screenshot on this phone, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.